If you are a publishing consultant, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your publishing consultant business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding appointments, tips, suggestion and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for publishing consultant business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, we need to open WhatsApp web, and over here, I'm going to type a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply in which they welcomed me to the Pabbly Publishing Consultant, and with that, they have provided me 3 action buttons: book a call, get submission tip, explore packages. Let's click on explore packages. As soon as I have clicked on explore packages, I got a response reply in which they have mentioned all the packages with the pricing and details. Not only that, they have given 2 action buttons with it, menu and need help. Let's click on the menu option. As soon as I have clicked on the menu option, I got the initial message again. This time, let's select get submission tip. As soon as I have selected submission tip, they have provided me all the guidelines and tips that are required to submit a manuscript in 5 pointers. With that also, they have provided me 2 action buttons, menu and need help. Let's click on need help this time. As soon as I have selected need help, they have delivered a message which says need help, we have got you covered. Whether you are stuck with submission, confused about publishing path or just need quick advice, Team Pabbly is here with you. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within seconds and made my customer experience so much fun and better. That too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to make this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, Setting and Get Help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for publishing consultant business, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your publishing consultant business. Now, after giving meaningful name, we need to know about 3 main features which are given inside the flow start: keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find, match, or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Today, I'm going to use regex, which will understand what my customer is trying to say. As soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop text button, connect with my flow start, and enter my message like this, in which I have mentioned that welcome to Pabbly Publishing Consultants, helping writers, picking, publish, authors, one message at a time. What would you like to help with today? After providing welcome message, we need to add action button. For that, I'm going to click on add button option and enter my text, book a call. For my next action button, I'm going to enter get submission tip. And for my last action button, I'm going to enter explore packages. Now for each action button, I'm going to give a separate message. Let's start with book a call. To book a call, I need to ask few questions to my customer. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question box and connect with my action button. Over here, I'm going to enter my message which says, have doubt about traditional versus self-publishing, need help with ISBN, copyright or editing? Just type your question and our expert will reply shortly. With that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as questions and my format as any. Now, after knowing about my customer's question, I'm going to give them a thank you message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop text button and enter my message like that, which says, thank you for submitting your question. Our publishing expert is reviewing it and will get back to you shortly with a helpful response. Now, with that, I'm going to provide an action button which says menu, and I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on this message, they will get initial message again. Now, as we are done with our first action button, let's move to our next action button, which is get submission tip. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, in which I have mentioned all the tips that our publisher need to follow before submitting their manuscript. And with that, I'm going to provide 2 action button which says menu and need help. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message as I have told you earlier, and I'm going to give a separate message for need help. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this. Now, as we are done with our second action button, let's move to our third action button, which is explore packages. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, in which I have mentioned all the desired packages that we are offering with pricing and their details. With that also, I'm going to provide 2 action button which says menu and need help. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message, and I'm going to connect our need help button with the message that we have recently put for need help. Now, as we are done with entering every single detail that is needed to run a chatbot for publishing consultant business, on to our last step. Don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time.
Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com. And for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.